Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Brickell eye serum. Now, first off, I just want to give a big shout out to this company for being nice enough to send me this product in exchange for this video, and I'm super excited to talk to you today about it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and actually dispense some of the products so you can see what it looks like, but before I do, I just wanted to mention here, this is the 0.65 ounce bottle right here, and it does have this kind of pump style design up at the top, so you just simply take one finger and go ahead and press down to go ahead and dispense the product. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some here on this little piece of paper so you can kind of see what the product looks like. But this is essentially what it's like. You can see it's kind of the mix between a liquid and a gel. You get this kind of somewhere in between a gel and a liquid serum, and it overall has a nice kind of a pleasant smell to me, in my opinion. But overall, I've been really impressed with this eye serum product. If you guys are looking for a product like this, I would highly recommend checking out this one, as I think Brickell makes really nice, high quality men's products. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.